Today we're going to bring our X570 AORUS. It's a Gigabyte motherboard. We're going to take a look at it and see what you get. So this is this is a Ryzen chip that's going to go in there. It's socket 4 that we're going to do. Now the best thing I like about this one, it has two M.2 slots. There's plenty of slots for everything else too, and I like that the IO shield is included with it on the side of it. If you guys can see, these are all the actual USBs that we're gonna have: regular USBs and 3.0 USB, also HDMI, wireless display, and also audio connections. All right, and if you guys see in red, we're gonna have a 3.1 USBs on there, right? So pretty much you have yourself covered in there. Now they give you plenty of slots for your actual video cards, all right? And you could use either or, but this is the one that everybody uses because of the actual extra reinforcement that you have in here with a metal piece that you have here, which is aluminum. Now, here's where you're actually going to set up your M.2, your first M.2 if you want your main one. So we're going to take a look at it. Right now, we're going to open it up. This is where you're going to actually put your M.2, if you guys can see that. That will be the M.2 area, and it will go as high as 80 millimeters in here. All right, and as low as 42. All right, so that's not bad. All right, we're gonna put our M.2 NVMe. The 980 here is a 2 terabytes. It's gonna be our main drive for the actual system, and then we get the little screw. Make sure you cover them all up, the screws, all right? Then make sure they're in there. So we're gonna lock it in place it down, lock it here. So we have this part of it. Now on the actual thermal tape that's built in here, just remove the actual system here, and this is going to be the one that's going to lock in the back, if you guys can see that. So to lock it in place is very simple. It's going to go all the way to the back here, embed in here, and just remove this screw here in the back. If you have it like I do, take it off, and that should do it. So this is our motherboard set up already with the M.2, 2 terabytes. We're going to go ahead and install Windows after we install it. So let's talk a little bit more about the actual motherboard itself. Cranking it up, first time cranking it up. Let's see what happens. So we got good lighting in here, and we're going to see if we could post anything at least. We do have everything running here, and there it goes, HDMI. Oh, there it is. We got it. Device change, CPU, see clear, please enter config. Perfect. This is what we wanted to see. We're gonna go ahead and run the application and start installing.